Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with a new video on Accenture on-campus placement instructions to be followed during the round 1 and round 2 examination. It is for 4.5 to 6.5 LPA. Okay, and my following videos I will do on coding. Okay, I have gathered questions from my friends as well as I have faced few questions, so I will put together and I will make videos. Okay, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and share the video. If you're already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, now let us going into the topic. I have already told you Accenture has 4 rounds, that is cognitive and technical assessment, second one is coding, then communication followed by interview. Okay, and the round 1 consists of cognitive and technical assessment. It consists of English ability, numerical ability, analytical ability, pseudo codes and common applications, and MS Office, and networking and security. Okay, these are the sections, and if you are practicing for the Accenture, you can clear this exam very easily because there is no section wise cutoff. You can score any number of you can score any number of marks in these sections, but they will consider your final total score and their cutoff. Okay, you will have cutoff for the total, not each and every section. Okay, whereas in Infosys you have to clear every section. Okay, every section has cut off in Infosys, but Accenture does not have every section cut off. It is considered for total score cut off. Okay, so you can easily clear this cognitive and technical assessment, and then you within 10 minutes in the same panel you are going to shift for the coding round. Okay, now let us see what will happen in these 2 rounds. Okay, instructions. Okay, verified ID verification. This is mandatory process because without your PAN card you are not eligible for writing the exam. Okay, this is mandatory process, and it is important that you carry one of the below listed government ID proofs to the assessment center on the day of assessment along with the admit card. You have to take the Xerox copy of your admit card as well as PAN card with you. For us, it is conducted in our college only. We have taken our PAN card as well as admit card Xerox copy with us. Okay, these 2 are only allowed to the exam hall. Okay, and the assessments will be split into 2 stages. Okay, stage 1, the cognitive and technical assessment is mandatory assessment and will be an elimination round. Okay, it is an elimination round, and you are required to meet our sectional and subsectional cutoff in order to proceed ahead in our recruitment process. Okay, you will get 90 minutes to answer 90 questions, so you have to thorough with the questions and you have to manage your time well. Okay, and you will be notified about the result within 5 to 10 minutes post completion of this round. Okay, assessment browser must be active at all times until the end of all the assessments. Okay, as I have told you, if you are going to clear the cognitive and technical assessment within 5 or 10 minutes, you are going to see your result and you are eligible for the coding round. Okay, upon clearing first stage, you must participate in the coding assessment and score from the round will be considered. Okay, you will get 45 minutes to complete 2 coding questions. In my following videos, in my upcoming videos, I am going to make the things on coding only. Okay, no need to worry. I will give the questions which are asked in Accenture. I have gathered I have gathered many coding questions. No need to worry, I will make videos. Okay, just follow and subscribe my channel. Okay, instructions, things to be keep in mind. Okay, mobile and electronic devices are not permitted in the assessment lab, and Accenture assessment center will not be held responsible in case of loss of any personal belongings. Okay, these are the instructions given by that Accenture people. Okay, you must be visible in the camera. Yes, you should be visible in the camera and are not permitted to take any breaks. The assessment must be taken in 1 hour go mandatorily. Okay, It is a continuous assessment. Okay, do read and adhere to all the instructions while participating in the assessments. Okay, these are the things which are given. Okay, for us in the college, the team has visited our college and they have conducted for us. Okay, so no cheating maximum. Okay, there is no chances of cheating in the exam. Okay. Okay, now the instruction system requirements are mandatory because I have written my exam in my laptop. If your laptop is not capable of taking the test, then you are out of the exam. Okay, laptop and desktop must be enabled with the webcam or the microphone. See for few of my friends the laptop is not supported, then they have provided the computer but they have given a webcam for them. Okay, without webcam and without microphone the exam will not take place. Okay, webcam should be capture image clearly. Okay, both webcam and microphone must be switched on mode across all assessments and interview stages of our process. Okay, RAM and processor, operating system and good Chrome should be there, and safe exam browser should be installed mandatorily because this safe exam browser only will allow you to write the exam. Okay, and if you cleared the cognitive and assessment technical assessment, then you will get a mail like this: congratulations, you will get your name here. Congratulations, you have successfully completed and cleared our cognitive and technical assessment. In order to proceed our recruitment process, you must participate in our coding assessment immediately. Kindly do not exit from your assessment browser and continue to take the coding assessment. Okay, this is the way that you will get the mail, because I have also got the mail, so I am telling you. So don't exit from your assessment. Okay, that you should not exit from that. Okay, browser. Okay, keep in mind the instructions. Now in my upcoming videos I'm going to do on coding, so if you want to support me, please hit a like, share the video, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.